Hello there, this is Santosh. Today I am with the lesson Matter and Pure. Let's begin. Pure substance and mixture. Everything. Everything is in two categories, matter and energy. And matter is substances. Pure substances and mixture. Pure substances is in two types, element and compound. As now, pure substance and mixture. Pure substance consists of a single type of substance. Mixture consists of two or more pure substance. Pure substance cannot be separated into other substances by physical methods. Mixture can be separated in its components by physical methods. Pure substance has its own definite properties. Mixture shows properties of its components. Elements are made up of one kind of atoms only. Compounds are made up of one kind of molecules. Types of mixtures. Mixtures can also be grouped on the basics of their physical states. Solid, solid, salt and sugar, liquid, solid, salt and water, solid gas, dust in air, liquid, solid, mercury in copper, liquid, liquid, alcohol and water, liquid, gas, clouds, gas, solid, hydrogen and palladium, gas, liquid, oxygen and water, gas, air. On the basics of the miscibility, homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. It consists of single phase. It consists of two or more phase. Uniform composition does not have uniform composition. Example, sugar dissolved in water. Example, air, sand and common salt. Separating the components of a mixture. The components of a mixture can be separated by simple methods like handpicking, sieving and winnowing. Special technique like evaporation, centrifugation, decantation using separation funnel, sublimation, chromatography, distillation and fractional distillations. As the properties of them you can see in this slide. If you need, you can pause the video and better look at it. Magnetic separation. Iron pins from a sand. Concentration of solution. The amount of solute present in a given amount, mass or volume of solution. Concentration of a solution. Amount of solute by amount of solvent. The concentration of a solution can be expressed as mass by mass or as mass by volume percentage. Mass by mass percentage of a solution. Mass of solute by mass of solution into 100. Mass by volume percentage of a solution equal to mass of solute by volume of solution multiplied by 100. Types of solution. On the basics of size of solute particles, true solution, colloidal solution, suspension, homogeneous, heterogeneous. Size of solute particles is less than 1 nanometer or 10 power minus 9 meters. Size of solute particles is between 1 nanometer or 1000 nanometer. Size of solute particles is more than 1000 nanometer. Particles cannot pass through filter paper. Particles cannot pass through filter paper. Particles cannot pass through filter paper. Stable and settle only on centrifugation. Unstable and settle down on its own. Solution of sodium chloride in water, sugar and water, milk and fog, muddy water, chalk and water, smoke in air. Colloidal solution is a homogeneous mixture. It consists of two phases, dispersed phase, dispersion medium, compounds present in small proportion and large proportion. The particles of colloid are large enough to scatter a beam of light, passing through it and make its path visible. Thus, they should Tyndall effect. The colloidal particles are moving at random in a zigzag motion in all directions. This type of zigzag motion of colloidal particles is called Brownian movement. On the basics of amount of solute, unsaturated solution. A solution which has lesser amount of solute that it can dissolve at a given temperature is known as unsaturated solution. Saturated solution. A solution at which maximum amount of the solute that it can dissolve at a given temperature is known as saturated solution. Supersaturated solution. A solution which can dissolve amount of solute by increasing temperature. Saturation solution is called supersaturation solution. On the basics of nature of solvent, aqueous solution. The solution in which the solvent is water is known as aqueous solution. Non-aqueous solution. The solution in which solvent is other than water like ether, alcohol or acetone known as non-aqueous solution. Physical and chemical changes. Physical changes. Change that do not result in the production of new substance. If melt a block ice, you will still have H2O at the end of the change. Example, melting. Chemical changes. Changes that result in the production of another substance. A half-eaten apple that turns brown. Other explanation you can see in the video. Alloys. A material that has metallic properties and is composed of two or more chemical elements of which is at least one is metal. These cannot be separated into their components by physical methods. However, these are considered as mixture because they show the properties of its constituents and can have variable composition. The benefit of alloy is that you can combine metals that have varying characteristics to create an end product that is stronger, more flexible, or otherwise desirable to manufacturers. Aluminium alloys are extensively used in the production of automotive engine parts. Copper alloys have excellent electrical and thermal performance, good corrosion resistance, high ductility, and relatively low cost. Stainless steel alloys are used for many commercial applications such as watch straps, cutlery, etc. Titanium alloys have high strength, toughness, and stiffness and used in aeroplane structures. If any doubts and queries, just send in the comment box. If you like the video, like, share, and comment. Thank you. We will meet you shortly.
Zombie apocalypse.